It's that time of year again. Chinese tech giants like Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Honor are giving their home markets an early taste of next-gen smartphones, leaving the rest of us wondering, are they worth the wait? Well, I got hands-on with the Chinese version of the Honor Magic 7 Pro, and let me tell you, it's shaping up to be something special. Let's dive in. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is the follow-up to the well-loved Magic 6 Pro and is set to hit the UK and European markets in January 2025. Pre-registration is already live on the Honor UK website, with some tempting early bird vouchers worth £300. The focus? Photography, photography, photography. This phone packs a variable aperture main lens for unbeatable low-light shots and one of the highest pixel zoom cameras out there. Throw in a massive battery, cutting-edge design, and top-tier performance, and you've got yourself a real contender against heavyweights like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Design and build. Honor's taken a bit of a risk with its design this time. The Magic 7 Pro ditches the usual curved edges for flat 2.5D glass and a metal frame. Does it stand out? Not entirely. It blends in with a lot of recent flagships. But the squircle-shaped camera bump? That's something you won't forget. The glacier white finish on my demo unit was gorgeous. A pearl-like shimmer with a frosted texture that's super resistant to fingerprints. Other colors like Sunrise Gold and Breeze Blue are available in China, but who knows what'll make the cut for global markets. What's new? IP69 water resistance. Yes, it can handle water jets in addition to full submersion, so you're covered for pretty much anything. Display and performance. At 6.8 inches, the OLED display is big, bold, and bright. The 2800 by 1280 resolution delivers incredible sharpness, and the 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate is buttery smooth. Honor claims it peaks at 5000 nits HDR brightness. I couldn't test that, but the colors and contrast certainly popped. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM ensures this phone has flagship power. It's perfect for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Cameras that impress. Let's talk about cameras, because they're the real stars of the show. The 50-megapixel main snapper brings back the variable aperture tech from the Magic 6 Pro, letting you toggle between depth blur and sharp clarity with ease. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide doubles as a macro lens, and Honor's eagle-eye image processing should be great for action shots. The standout, though? A 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. It's got a massive sensor and AI-assisted 30 times zoom that promises breathtaking detail. My test shots looked detailed and natural, though I'll reserve judgment until I can do a full review. Oh, and the Magic 7 Pro is also bringing back the Studio Harcourt portrait mode for pro-level portraits. Battery and charging. The 5850 mAh battery is slightly smaller than some rivals, but with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, you'll barely notice. Efficiency could be an X factor with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, but that remains to be seen. Final thoughts. There's a lot to love about the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Its camera hardware is already rubbing shoulders with photography-focused phones like the Vivo X200 Pro. There's no glaring weakness here, at least on paper. The big mystery? Price. In China, it starts at 5,699 renminbi, around 620 pounds or $800. But international pricing could easily double. If Honor keeps it competitive, this phone might just steal the spotlight. What do you think? Will the Honor Magic 7 Pro be worth the wait? Or is the Galaxy S25 Ultra still the one to beat? Drop your thoughts below, And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews.